This is why you need to know about high-return investment strategies. Let's dive in. Imagine this. You've got $10,000. Your mission? Maximize profit while keeping risk in check. Let's explore 3 high-return investment strategies. First up, the stock market. Think growth stocks or ETFs. They've shown solid performance, and you could see significant gains. But remember, stock prices can be volatile. A sudden drop can hit your portfolio hard. Next, real estate. Rental properties, REITs, or even crowdfunding platforms. Real estate can offer steady income and appreciation. But it's not without its headaches. Think maintenance and market fluctuations. Finally, cryptocurrency. Fancy a bit of Bitcoin or emerging altcoins. The potential returns are sky high, but so are the risks. It's like the Wild West out there. Exciting, but unpredictable. So, where would I put my money? Personally, I'd go with a mix of stocks and real estate. Diversifying helps spread the risk, and I love the balance of growth and stability. What's your pick? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.